Question 13. Daniel had some apples and oranges. He threw away 1/5 of the apples and bought some oranges to replace the number of apples thrown away. Okay, he then gave 1/4 of the apples and 25 oranges to his neighbors. In the end, he had 54 apples and 81 oranges left. How many oranges did he have at first? Okay, so for this question, since they gave us the number of apples and oranges in the end, we are going to try to work backwards and to get how many oranges he have at first. Okay, this is the end. Apple is 54, oranges is 81. Okay, so the last thing that he did was he gave 1/4 of the apples and 25 oranges to the neighbors, right? So which means that for the oranges, I need to plus a 25. Okay, and then for the apples, you need to know that this is 3/4. Okay, I need to find what is 4/4. So for the apples, I need to use 54 divided by 3 and then times 4. I'm gonna get 72. Okay, for the oranges, it will be 81 plus 25. I'm gonna get 106. Okay, so in the next step, he threw away 1/5 of the apples and bought some oranges to replace the number of apples thrown away. Okay, so if he threw away 1/4 of the apples, that means this is basically 1/5, right? Okay, so I want to find what is 1 unit because that is the amount of apples that he threw away. Okay, so 72 divided by 4 will give me 18, right? So which means that he bought 18 oranges to replace the number of apples. So in this case, I will need to minus away 18. Okay, 106 minus away 18 will give me 88 oranges. Okay, so this is the number of oranges he had at first.